significant about this day is while in my dad's hotel room, I dozed off and I woke up to a voice saying Monday at 8. Not knowing exactly what that meant, I text myself Monday at 8. You will see in later videos on December the 23rd, the following Monday of this Thursday, what happened Monday at 8. Something interesting that happened this day is that we went to a large market in Aba. We left later than expected because my Uncle Iberi and my Aunt Helen came to pick up me and my dad and my cousin late from the hotel. So we made it to the market late. Me, my Aunt Helen, my Uncle Iberi's wife, and my cousin Peace were dropped off at Aba Market, and my dad and Iberi went to go purchase some tires for one of the vehicles. When they came back, they waited, and my dad became upset because it was getting late, and he didn't want to have to drive back to Amaya late at night while it was dark. He wanted to get back to Amaya, which is the capital of Abia, before it became dark. So he began to call my phone, and my Uncle Iberi's wife, her name is Miriam, called her phone, just blowing it up back to back, screaming at my aunt saying to bring me out of there, bring me to the car. And he was saying that he was mad because he felt like Aunt Helen was kind of doing what Aunt Helen does, going from shop to shop, talking and taking her time. It was a little bit of that, but it was also, we didn't have a lot of time in Aba Market. The market is so large and so many people, it does take hours just to maneuver through all the shops because we didn't even go that many places. There was a lady that I think she was just a stranger that I'm thinking she's paid by some of the stores to find people that are looking for certain things and to bring them to certain stores to look at their items. And so she brought us to a fabric store, which I purchased fabric for my mother at that store. And some other guy from another store came over and I purchased an outfit for my son at that store. And then Aunt Helen bought fabrics and necklace and other stuff for her. Now, the most of the time spent at that store was for my Aunt Helen. And then after that store, we stopped by another fabric store for Aunt Helen and we picked up something. And then she went by another store to purchase a Bible. And then she went by another store to find a sleeve for that Bible. And then finally, we were able to go to a store for me that was to purchase. I purchased a purse for me or my sister, either one. And then we were going to go look for another purse, but that's when my dad started calling. So we had to go back to that store to purchase another purse just so I could have a purse and my sister could have a purse. So most of the time was spent on Helen. So when my dad began to call, he basically said to leave Aunt Helen behind and for my Aunt Miriam to bring me to the vehicle. And he was like, he's going to leave everybody else and they were going to have to find their way back. And I was like, what? And then my Aunt Miriam looked at me and she's like, what do I do? I was like, I don't know. Do we tell Aunt Helen what he said? Mind you, Aunt Helen don't walk fast. She has issues with her knees and her legs and she don't walk fast. And so it was just like, what? But Aunt Miriam did take me to the vehicle and then she had to go back because Peace was with my Aunt Helen because my Aunt Helen doesn't walk too fast. So my Aunt Miriam went back for my cousin Peace and my Aunt Helen and then brought them back. So my dad didn't leave them, but while they were gone, my dad asked me, what's taking y'all so long? One, it's going to take a long time in that market. The market is far. It's a lot of walking. It's a lot of people. It's a lot of stores. You don't know which one to go to. It's a lot. It's like a early in the morning get there type of thing. But number two is that first fabric store that we went to, 80% of our time was spent at that store. I mean, it just is what it is. We were sitting down at that store and Aunt Helen was looking at different fabrics. No, I don't want that. Most of the time was doing that. And then I would say 95% of the time was spent looking for Aunt Helen some stuff because my purse, I walked the type of store, I wanted that purse and that's it. And then we had to go back and here up and find another one. So it wasn't me. So I told my dad that, not thinking that he was going to tell my Aunt Helen. So you'll also see in the video, my Aunt Helen and my dad had an argument about how long we spent inside the market. at Abba. And I'm like, you ain't supposed to be snitching on me. I told you that in confidence, but you'll see.
When we came here last time, they were still building this overhead.
One of my friends asked for a souvenir. I wish I could get a souvenir to buy for me. A toy, anything that has.
Yeah, Bonaga. If you like that, na traffic like this, sell it.
Stockfish.
Okay, so this is the one we call a stockfish.
Stockfish.
Okay, yes. I bought at the market.
Selling those things. Because we're going to need some stockfish too. Some of them almost 30,000-40,000.
That is cheap.
That's right.
I want to $36. Or do one hang on.
Yeah.
So it's cheaper here than US.
How do you be cheaper here than
Yes. How be cheaper here?
But
they
import them from Sweden. That's the funny thing.
Yeah, it's cheaper than buy here. You know, even it's cheaper in Nigeria than at US.
This is the only road that goes into Apa, right?
Yes.
We don't have any crossroad yet.
Meaning that's how then I got the West of right? Meaning around
Just want to go need to get something to eat. That's around 2 o'clock.
Something to eat, your food is in.
Will they know where to wait for us?
Yes,
I believe I hear they celebrate in our way.
Any place in our body like that. Odinga don't know much all the former governor, this governor, Nigerian, and the geometric. So people foreigners they come there. And they might have the same problem. Building house everywhere.
Yes.
Yeah. So there's no cross streets.
About the mall.
So look at all this stuff. They have a house everywhere. There's no cross street.
That man very good. Okay, when I pass with that.
Oh, yeah, a hotel. For university.
Yeah,
school of university. Oh, okay. Yeah, with the headquarters. Hospital. Very big hospital. Yeah, university.
How much university there?
Yeah, some university, one hospital. School, yeah, school. Not a very large area.
How do you want banana? One of these. Okay, you're a pharmacy for Sobi.
Yes, sir.
And the chair I got on.
Order. Oh, big careless. But I'm not going to go on. Where that money getting? Come on, man. You know. Well, give me get out of for him. I don't know from big government.
Then I run for election.
Yeah.
Then I buy that
Then a man. The man is very old. The man is barely can. American and this one can. Nobody a problem. Nobody. You have a story. Email, there's no crossroad that goes there. So how are they going to be? Oh, they only do is tractors. Today's heat is terrible. And where be the number of room money? I may will be. Oh, we'll go at the same time, you know.
They have a light that works. They have a light that works.
So will I be able to see that that new around the market? The new in Gaza yeah. Yeah. I just check the time I large in the okay.
All the sun
on the airline. Okay. So this one crossroad. That was Fox Road. I would have just go drop them so we got your motor. What about the section like I can start material? Airline. So about how much money would she need to find the material, which we go?
We don't know the price.
What the cat? What kind of material? No, okay.
The Nigerian negotiating. I like that.
We are negotiating. You think we are fighting? Oh,
Well, you say want to film us. I like what you are doing.
because most of them will use you.
Okay.
So I came back and bought all this. Shop. Traditional here. For 25 and I'm going 25 that's 28. I'm 25,
Check my sister.
you are wrong. You
have carry 25 for you.
No carry 25.
Oh, you can again is in this. But they won't get the carry road and get to no carry. Hey! That's like highest.
Yeah. Who from that kind of highest?
Slap me when I clap. Slap me when I clap. Slap me. Mommy say what I clap for myself. Hey! Everything.
No, I like it.
I lose you lose. Okay, I can't like that. My sister, this is Sonia. Everybody we have beat. Oh, here get with 2 hogan. It's a bit. My sister, they have it's not from a trunk going home. I don't got a pack going home.
Yeah.
If you buy her side, I got get start beat. You need they will show you samples.
Which one do you want to buy among these? Let's go. It's not working fast. She's working fast. We'll finish buying so, I actually just guys me way out. I get bezel chap. Instead of going here and coming back here. Yeah. I do chap. I know I don't have to do. And I mean, that's a get baggage for this boy. Senator. No, I don't but everybody boy you pay. You don't have a dark blue or something like that. A berry? No. Okay. The lady I'm saying with the son. Oh, okay. I'm on. All the fake. That part last year we tried it. You see how we bargain? You see how we bargain market in Africa? That's how we buy it. I was looking at the holes in the floor. I put it to Baniha. I don't know. I was at home market here. Now back here. More did you tell me, but I haven't seen that on I won't about for I won't down how it before. That's not unlike before. Not now. Because I think I was on the way not in circle. But if you're in the market, not one is all this substance. She was afraid that I might snap the phone from her hair. Of course. Mine, but not. They don't do that like before. Maybe on the streets. If you're walking on the street, don't need to answer calls. Especially during that time, evening. Oh, very, very risky. Oh, really? Yeah. Drop your phone. They just grab your phone right now. But you went for that back. Oh, we learn it, guys. That's not your home. So I'm here to hear what I'm going to but I did like that. I did that because I paid money, she like that. Okay, so I did there like that. Today, what? You find out how to get this one. Yeah, of course, it's okay, but Zima, one is the why not this year that side? Oh no, we did it. So safe, we will go. Yes, so safe is the best. It's the best. You know what? Just show that person. So safe, for this one, they got there. I remember saying I am last time. Man, it's a more confusion. Mommy, try to go. Major problem now. The point because what I buy, he can't have woman. That's all. I thought I When we get to the village, I want to try to put the thing in my head. Hello? Carrying something on my head. Don't worry, there's a big pot. Don't worry about that. They carry the gun and put it here. Grandpa, I fetch you water. My daddy will say, put it here. Nobody touches that water. Oh, God. And maybe we'll just quiet sitting on himself. Hey, the left plan now.
Guys, I guess one of
that's on bold print, Igbo Bible. Hello, guys. Don't worry, I'll go. You want her to be in the front or behind? Where's she going? Bye-bye.
Good handbags, everything.
Okay.
No, I'm fine.
I'm fine, now you can. Oh, yeah, about the step.
No, go to the and the bold print.
Bye.
My dear. Can you just give me like 2,000 naira? You were cash. You think 2,000? Okay. Kenya can't do me now. Okay. I'm
on me for a second.
2,000 naira.
About what you done. Almost such a halal thing. That's a bad. You got one that is med gun along the side.
Okay, yes.
Oh, the med gun in associate. You to have that.
I'm facing him.
That's gun. I'm one from Mommy, thank you. You can chat that from here.
Okay.
See, I'm going to airline gate.
Airline gate.
Airline gate.
Let's go. Osim water go. On yam chop. Osim water that should bring money.
Joy Abu Kubo. Now, I buy the Bible. Him who go Kubo. Now, that is too small.
Because if you say anyone you like,
I'm gonna look over here and see.
It's not what she's coming. Just help her. She's coming.
Do they have like purses that are traditional to Nigeria? Okay, maybe something.
Okay, that looks nice. What's the design of somewhere? What are you the boys. Oh, and I guess it's small.
Either or, it doesn't matter. Are these real name brand or China name brand?
China.
This China.
Yeah, it's China.
China, okay.
What brand are
So these are not real, these are China.
Okay, they have China. They also have stock bags. They also have stock bags.
What's that mean?
Huh?
What does that mean?
The ones that quality ones and
Yes,
China
I
ones.
want something like that quality.
What color?
Maybe brown.
Is there anyone you like here? Is it big or small?
It doesn't matter if it's, it doesn't matter.
Something like
Yeah, I like that.
I want to send it. Nothing goes down on any job. That brown. The way I like it.
They're both cute.
You like the body was
Maybe you can have a brown color. No name it to Canada.
Okay, brown.
Can't let you. How could a man like this?
Also golden color.
Whatever.
So who? Also not care much about it.
I like your quantity.
That one is cute too. They're both cute.
How long did you got church in a village? That's like
I like red. It would be hard to find something to wear. So maybe more brown, beige, or black. Something I can wear.
This way?
That's brown now.
That's it's okay, but it's
That one is cute. Yeah, I like that.
no, I want one for
These really
myself.
expensive. I'm gonna get one from these.
Because almost many writing. You can't
They're really expensive.
Let me see.
Still like it.
Yeah, why not the one plain? This is too much.
Brown, this is that brown.
But I have a Bible.
That's that brown.
I got a Bible.
That's brown.
I like a Bible. I got a Bible. This cannot enter Bible. Nope. No, because it's a Bible.
It's the same.
Why is it a bit wider?
But this one is the.
Okay, just a little, yeah, just a little different.
Let me see.
Take a look.
Oh, this goes like this.
Actually, I got a Bible, my God. What are the Bible?
This one better.
Yeah, okay.
I don't like it.
Okay, for
I like it.
also like it. I don't think I got both. I okay. How do you open this?
Oh my God.
Okay, come in here.
Oh my God. I told me not going to stay. What?
How do you do it?
It's easy to close. I don't want something that would be difficult to close.
I made you better. Can we get like two like this? Something similar.
Still get it somewhere.
Okay.
You can still get it. This one,
This one, but not this.
Okay, we should keep this and get this. Yeah, this will be easy to do. This one, keep. It's not hard. Which one did you choose? This one here. Yeah, maybe. But we can go through zip. God, this one is okay. Go then. When you in there, why in there? That's what is good. Money for that now.
One game.
It's also that one that is in my head. I preserve three sacks. I preserve financial. So such a reason for 1 year.
I like him hand on our no, that's again. 1,000. I'll get 100 back. But I didn't like the ones I see here. 10,000. We can start walking if we find something. We can start walking, we might find something.
You know, everybody, you can walk. So someone on top of it. Yeah, it's
Oh my God.
in the van. It's together in the end of the van.
That's not safe.
It's not. But even if that is white, I'm sure it's red. It's red. Yeah. You'll be better.
You will have a headache tonight.
Your phone call my own.
My own? How are you doing that? Maybe I'm going to him. You know, that's me. No, that's me. Why? I mean, an ox-ray.
I'm on a van.
You go and go and give If Express.
I think one shop. Can I go buy it?
That's a do show. That's it. We're going to study this thing.
You got to sort the whole of Aba.
Also, no spending in a fabric store almost 80% of the time.
Okay, we
fabric store, it be in a
80% of the store no na chakwa. Omo ga ni le no so say ni le na.
You know, it may be any time if you don't know. You look at the time. Open up all you can't in my head now. What kind of nonsense is that? Good for you want to call nonsense.
When we spend 80% of the time, I was only buying something alone. All my things was buying it 80% of the time.
We all got something.
Oh.
What nonsense? It can't be around 7 o'clock. Open up the jobs now. I like to get the so I'm not feeling well, I'm just managing myself. You don't know about in this one here. The Igbo goat. There's another one, the Hausa goat is a lot bigger than this one. It's a cow. Good. Yeah. The only thing is that, when I was reading this article, people were asking questions.
I feel bad for the goats.
Nobody was asking whether
he's squished up like that.
Like a goat. Come on, get a goat as this one,
We were hit from behind on the way back from Aba. My dad was angry. He was yelling at my Uncle Barry, but no one was injured. Here's a picture of the vehicle after we were hit from the back. It's kind of hard to see where the damage is because it looks like there's already damage there, but it's to the left. If you see the bumper hanging to the left, that is where we were hit. The next day, or maybe the day after that, my uncle took it to the car shop and they did repair it. And in Nigeria, no one has insurance. So basically, when we were hit from the back, the individuals involved got out of their vehicles, looked at it, said sorry, got back in the vehicles and kept going. If you liked the video, like, share, and subscribe. And check out our website at nwanyi.com.